Good morning. My name is Luis Moran, and I work here at Inclusive Action for the City. Inclusive Action for the City is a LA County based CDFI nonprofit economic justice organization. I specifically work on our Access to Capital team as a technical assistant. Our organization has invested in LA's micro entrepreneurs for over 15 years, and today I'd be sharing a little bit more about our three unique loan products for small business owners. To begin, our mission is simple. It's serving underinvested communities and building thriving local economies by improving access to transformative capital and advancing policy through collaborative research and community driven advocacy. Our vision: we envision diverse communities that have equitable and sustained access to resources and exercise agency over their futures. One way we do this is through our Semilla Fund program. Our Semilla Fund program is one of our oldest and largest access to capital program for small entrepreneurs, including street vendors in LA County. Through our Semilla Fund, we offer fixed low interest rate loans paired with tailored business coaching through workshops and one on one human centered support. How does ISC help entrepreneurs grow their business? Well, we start off with pre loan technical assistance. We provide in person application support, ensuring that the client, the business owner, feels loan ready. Apart from that, our underwriting is very unique. We have accessible, flexible terms with unique loan products, offering affordable pathways for building credit. Along with our business coaching, once you become a client, you get assigned a specific business coach where you have one-on-one centered support, along with the opportunity to join group workshops. And lastly, is through our IAC network. Once you become a client, you have access to our networks of businesses and partners, as well as connection to business opportunities. Our mission is to empower small business owners who have difficulty accessing capital through traditional financial institutions, such as like banks, by offering alternative forms of capital through microloans that provide low interest rates and flexible prepayments. Our loans range from 5,000 to 35,000 with a 3% to 8% APR rate. I want you to note that our Raices loan is our smaller loan for helping build credit and to help combat abusive lending. Our Tierra loan is to help entrepreneurs build their business assets through the purchase of equipment, inventory, or technology. And our Semilla loan is the most flexible capital for any use of your business. Here is our term sheet with all the three different loan products. We have our Raices, we have Tierra, we have Semilla. Want you to note that although the application deadline does say June 28th, our applications are open year round. So we are still taking applications. The first thing I want you to note is that these are all business loans meant for business expenses, terms with loans with fixed interest paid on a monthly basis. Some general requirements will require the applicants be in business for at least 6 months, and they need to be located in LA County for profit business. We work with all type of businesses and take a look at your personal and business financial position in order to determine an appropriate loan offer. So as you'll see, a Raices loan goes from 500 to 2,500 with a fixed annual interest rate of 5%. This you can repay this between 3 to 12 months, and this can be used for any type of building any type of working capital, right? So if you're starting off and you need some money for like a canopy or like a grill, this would be the type of loan. And for this loan, we only require the business to be open for 3 months. Moving on to our Tierra loan, which is my personal favorite. This one goes from 5,000 all the way to 30,000 with the low 3% fixed annual interest rate, repayment between 1 to 5 years. We do require the business be open for at least a minimum of 6 months, and the use of funds is limited to either purchase of equipment, inventory, or technology, or any other business asset, which normally, as a business owner, that's usually what you're looking at. Lastly, our Semilla loan goes from 3,000 to 35,000 with the fixed annual interest rate of 8%, same 12 to 60 months of repayment, with a requirement of 6 months being in business. However, the interest rate is a little bit higher simply because with this loan, you can use it for any type of business expense, whether that be for wages, for rent, for utilities, for inventory, etc. Now I'm going to be going over the list of documents needed to start an application. Please note, although we do ask for these documents, we can understand if you may be missing any document along with a brief explanation. So you'll see we need a completed application, a valid photo ID, federal, personal, and business taxes, business related receipts, a minimum of 1 month, proof of business income. This could be Square Logs, Zelle, Venmo, cash logs, bank statements. We'll also need personal and business bank statements, a minimum of 3 months, personal and business rent receipt, two types of personal utility bills, the most recent, alongside, if applicable, business utility bills, most recent, and business permits and licenses. Now, if you're thinking to apply into one of our loans, once you have collected all of your documents, we can start by creating your online portal through our lending platform called LenderFit. We will need your full name, your business name, email, type of loan product, and the amount requested. Once your profile is created, you will receive an email where you will create your password and have full access to the portal. Once logged into LenderFit, you will be able to submit all your documents directly. If you prefer completing the application in person, you can schedule an appointment to meet in our office and we can assist you in person. The application process is divided into 4 phases. The first phase would be us you gathering personal and business information. The second one would be submitting all documentation. The third one would be personal and business financial information. Lastly, once the first 3 phases have been completed, your application will be transferred over to the underwriting team who will be revising your application, your documents, and who will be reaching out to you directly to follow up. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Please feel free to follow us online and feel free to connect with me or my colleague Jacqueline if you have any specific questions in our loans or services. We're always happy to chat and share more information. Have a great day.